We are here today at Symbios Fit, part of Symbios Medical. I am here with my friend Jane Magarelli. It is a pleasure to see you today to talk a bit about nutrition and the Symbios philosophy and what we're doing here today at Symbios Fit.
Okay, well, at Symbios, we want to treat the whole person, the whole body. We feel that's important, especially nutrition-wise, because foods have a profound effect on our body and what's going on inside of our body.
And one of the things that you told me philosophically is that you as a group here at Symbios and Symbios Fit sort of like to debunk some myths around nutrition and food.
Mm-hmm. Yes, for the past over 40 years, we've been, telling everyone to eat low fat, whole grains. And since then, we've more than doubled the amount of obesity in our country and type 2 diabetes, heart disease, a lot of chronic illnesses. So we're now talking more about healthy fats and eating low carbohydrate diets and not refined sugars, to take those out of our diets. We have a lot of fast foods on the island, and those are processed food. Most of it is processed foods.
Let me ask you a question, Jean, because if I'm interested in becoming a patient, I'm interested in my health and wellness, I'm interested in my nutrition, how do I get a hold of you? How do I integrate myself as part of the practice so that I can take advantage of all the things that you do offer for my whole health?
Okay, you would just call the Symbios office and you would make an appointment. You have to be a member of Symbios. So to be see one of the docs, and then you can take advantage of all of we have to offer, which is physical therapy and fitness and just the nutrition. We have a spa, which makes us feel wonderful.
What do you think are the biggest challenges that we have with our food and nutrition in today's world? Good question.
I think that there's such an abundance of, as I said before, processed foods, fast foods.
Grab and go.
They're quick, they're easy, but they're not a healthy choice. If you walk in a grocery store, probably 4 to 5 aisles in that grocery store is nothing but sodas and potato chips and pretzels and cakes and things that are processed and not healthy for us. We need to get back to more farm.
Basic.
Yes.
You know what I remember you talking about? This is so funny. This is a Jeanism. Debbie, walk around the outside of the grocery store because
that's where your fruits and vegetables are, and your the foods, your meats, things that are healthy for us that are not processed, that are just pure. Eggs are just eggs, but they're high in protein, high in just healthy fats that our bodies need.
When I actually come to you as a patient and part of Symbios, do you help guide me and put me on, and I hate the word treatment plan, I hate the word meal plan too.
Right.
But is that really what you're trying to do, is sort of guide me?
Right, it's not a diet.
Okay.
Diets fail. I think it's just a lifestyle change. So we can be the best us that there is, the best me. I want to be the best me, and I want you to be the best you. So
are we all different as far as how we process our foods? I know how we eat, what we enjoy. If I enjoy a plant-based diet versus meat, fish, eggs, can you help guide me according to my own taste too?
Absolutely, absolutely. There's so many things that you can eat that are healthful, and if you are a vegetarian or you want a plant-based diet, we can work with that, and still you would have a healthy lifestyle.
And we've only got about 30 seconds, but I do want to say this. One of the things that we've been talking about that during the break, is lots of relationship building, lots of synergy, lots of symbiosis, if I can kind of say that out loud.
Right. I get many clients who ask me a question about physical therapy. They're having a surgical procedure and they're going to need physical therapy after. Can I suggest someone for them? Well, obviously, I will suggest Wade in our PT department. Or if they want to just get in better shape, they want to tone their bodies, I would suggest coming to Symbios Fit with Steve. So yes, we share and we refer people all the time. And I think that's the great thing about Symbios.
Well, I think you're exactly right, because there is nothing better than an integrated medical system. And I think putting all these pieces together is just pure genius. So thank you for joining us. It's so good to see you.
Thank you.
Stay with us. There's more to come.